If you don't like cramming but still need top grades, then these tips are for you. Tip 1. Active learning over passive reading. Instead of just reading, engage with the material. Ask questions, summarize in your own words, or teach it to someone else. Tip 2. The power of spaced repetition. Spread your study sessions over days or weeks. Review periodically, not all at once. Tip 3. Focus on understanding, not memorization. Grasp the why and how. Understanding beats rote memorization every time. Tip 4. Use study techniques like the Pomodoro method. Study in 25-minute bursts with short breaks in between to keep your mind fresh. Tip 5. Minimize distractions. Create a focused study space. Turn off notifications and use apps that block distracting sites. Tip 6. Practice retrieval and teach others. Quiz yourself, use flashcards, or explain the material to someone else. Teaching reinforces learning. Tip 7. Utilize multiple resources and change up your study material. Use videos, articles, and different textbooks to keep it interesting and comprehensive. Tip 8. Get enough sleep and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Sleep, eat well, and exercise. A healthy lifestyle supports better learning. Tip 9. Don't fall for study myths. Consistent, scheduled study sessions are more effective than all-nighters. Conclusion. Study smarter, not harder. Use these tips to optimize your study sessions, reduce stress, and ace your exams. Good luck! This video is brought to you by Tutors for Let.